What up, you guys? It's your pal Cool Josh 24 Productions, back with another video. And today, I'm gonna teach you guys how to make an impossible cube with clay. So let's get to it. Here are the materials that you will need to use to make the impossible cube with clay. Air dry clay, clay cutter, and a ruler. So let's begin. Here's how you want to make an impossible cube with clay. First, take some clay. Next, take a ruler and measure the surface of the clay to 1 millimeter height to make a slab. Next, take a ruler to measure the surface of the clay slab and a clay cutter to cut the part of the clay slab to make a 4x10 rectangle slab. Alright, already made the 4x10 rectangle slab. Okay guys, I'm back. So let's do some other instructions on how to make an impossible cube with clay. Next, take a ruler to measure the surface of the 4x10 rectangle slab and take a clay cutter to cut the 4x10 rectangle slab into 4 pieces of rectangle bars. Make sure that each 4 pieces of rectangle bars are 1x10 each. Alright, already chopped the 4x10 rectangle slab into 4 pieces of rectangle bars to make sure that each 4 pieces of rectangle bars are 1x10 each. Next, take a ruler again to measure the surface of the clay slab and a clay cutter to cut the surface of the clay slab to make a 6x8 rectangle slab. Alright, already made the 6x8 rectangle slab. Next, take a ruler again to measure the 6x8 rectangle slab and a clay cutter to cut the 6x8 rectangle slab into 6 pieces of rectangle bars to make sure that the 6 pieces of rectangle bars are 1x8 each. Alright, already chopped the 6x8 rectangle slab into 6 pieces of rectangle bars to make sure that each 6 piece of the rectangle bars are 1/8 each. Okay guys, I'm back. So let's finish the rest of the instructions on how to make an impossible cube with clay. Next, take two 1x10 rectangle bars and two 1/8 rectangle bars and connect them to each other to make a square. Alright, already connected the two 1x10 rectangle bars and two 1/8 rectangle bars and made a square. Next, take another two 1x10 rectangle bars and another two 1/8 rectangle bars and connect them to each other to make another square. Alright, already connected another two 1x10 rectangle bars and two 1/8 rectangle bars and made another square. Okay guys, I'm back. So let's finish the rest of the instructions on how to make an impossible cube with clay. Also, I made two more pieces of the 1/8 rectangle bars because it was difficult that I thought it was 6 pieces and it was supposed to be 8 pieces to make the parts of the impossible cube. Next, take a ruler to measure the top line of the square to 10 millimeters and a clay cutter to chop the middle part of the bar line of the square. Alright, already chopped the middle part of the bar line of the square. Next, take 4 pieces of the 1/8 rectangle bars and connect them on top of the four corner lines of the square each. Alright. Already connected the four pieces of the 1x8 rectangle bars on top of the four corner sides of the square each. Next, take the other square and connect it on top of the four rectangle bars. Okay guys, I'm back. So let's finish the last step of the instructions on how to make an impossible cube with clay. Alright. Already connected the other square on top of the four rectangle bars. The final step is paint the impossible cube. You can paint it in any color you like. The impossible cube is well done. And this is how you make an impossible cube with clay. I hope you guys enjoy learning how to make an impossible cube with clay, and I'll have the instructions on the description down below so you guys can review it if you guys like to make an impossible cube with clay. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you guys subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications for new videos when it comes out to this channel. And thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.